How many of you are finding by the end of the day you are stiff, sore in the glutes, in the back, in the neck? I know we are. I know we've been noticing this more than ever because we're sitting more and we're on our computers more. And so if you want to stay with us and learn our top mobility exercises at the night, at the end of the day, please listen in. So, Dr. Jeff and myself have a few tools for you. He's got a ball. We've got some foam rollers. There's a couple different types. There's one long foam roller. Whatever you can get your hands on, these are exercises that can help you. Now, we do these before we do our foams at night to help clear lymph fluid, to help get mobility. We find that we sleep better, our muscles relax, and this is really helpful. We feel like you could definitely benefit from these exercises. So number one, by sitting throughout the day, we find our glutes get tight, and so this is a great exercise that can help you. If you can get on a foam roller and just find that there's the back right in the glute here, and kind of be a detective as you go through this and find where that spot is that's really sore. Now, if you want, you can actually cross your leg over and that'll expose that back glute a little bit more. So there's the back of the glute. Then you can roll and go onto the side of the glute like this. And that you can find right up in the hip there. Super, super important. And then there's even the front here, which is called your hip flexor. And so if you can hit those three areas, the back, the front, and the side, you will definitely loosen up the hips, which will then loosen up your back. Number two, after we hit that, then we go into the mid-back area where we start to see the mid-back go back and forth. Now, if you don't have a foam roller, Dr. Jeff's going to show how you can use a ball just by going back and forth on that. A basketball, a volleyball, a soccer ball could do the same thing where that just mobilizes your mid-back. Takes a lot of strain out in the mid-back and frees up the traps, the rhomboids, those muscles that get tight when we're on a computer. Now, yeah, definitely don't go too low. We don't want to go past the thoracic spine because it exposes you in the lower back and you can start to feel vulnerable and can cause a bit of damage there. So stop right at the lower portion of the mid-back. The last piece that we finish off with that I think is really valuable is that if you can have a ball or a foam roller, just stop at the upper part of your mid-back and see if you can get your head to lie back and touch that foam roller. This is so good for opening up this upper back chest area. And you can almost put your arms out like this. I finish my day off and just kind of lie like this for a few minutes before I jump onto the foams, which works on the neck curvature and low back curvature. So there you have it. Those are our top mobility stretches. Remember we talked about MSP, mobility, movement, stretch, strength, posture, proprioception, MSP squared. This is mobility, and we want you to stay mobile during this time. So hopefully this helps, and hopefully you can get a hold of this. If you have any questions, please reach out. Dr. Doyle, Dr. Jeff, Dr. Craig, Dr. Marissa, Dr. Megan Yim, Dr. Nick Grant, any one of us are here to help you. So please reach out to us. We're here to help. We care about you. We'll talk to you soon.